Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact on your Android device. First, make sure your phone or tablet meets the game's minimum specifications for a smooth experience. You'll need a device with at least 4 GB of RAM and a capable processor. Then, head over to the Google Play Store and search for the official Genshin Impact app. Be prepared to free up a significant amount of storage, typically around 30 GB, for the initial download and future updates. Once the initial app is installed, you'll need to either create a new Yoverse account or log in with an existing one. This account is crucial for saving your game progress across devices. After logging in, the game will begin downloading additional data, which can be quite large, often exceeding 15 GB. It's highly recommended to connect to a stable Wi-Fi network for this process to prevent using up your mobile data allowance and to ensure a faster download speed. Now, let's dive into the basic controls. On the left side of your screen, you'll find the virtual joystick for moving your character around the vast open world. The right side houses your action buttons, including normal attacks, elemental skills, and elemental bursts. You can also interact with objects and switch between your 4-character party here. Practice dodging enemy attacks and strategically using your elemental abilities to overcome challenges and explore Teyvat efficiently. To ensure the best possible experience, consider optimizing your device's performance. If you notice any lag, try lowering the in-game graphics settings to a medium or low preset. This can significantly improve your frame rate. Also, close any unnecessary background applications before launching Genshin Impact to free up valuable system memory and processing power. Finally, regularly clear your device's cache to keep everything running smoothly and enjoy your adventures in Teyvat without interruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.